As our nation's first responders are still answering the call to service, we want to assure them that our fire sprinkler systems are in service and are operational and are there to protect them. Fires are still happening in America and around the world, and construction sites that are not operational and are not functional are more vulnerable to fire than when we're on those sites. We want all governors and mayors and all state and local officials to know and understand the vital role and that construction is part of our economy. We also want to assure them that fire sprinklers are a vital part of overall community risk reduction. The NFSA is trying to be proactive and to influence state and local governments to already be prepared for when the economy returns and this public health emergency is over. We want them to be prepared to ensure that the permitting process is expedited, that the plans review process doesn't hold up, that they do use outside sources to help to expedite this and not let the workload overwhelm them so that we can return workers back to jobs and that we don't have holdups when the economy does return. As we monitor Congress and the President and the actions they take for tax extensions, for economic stimulus package to give money back to business and to American people, we're also doing things that are longer and more proactive, things that affect you in the fire sprinkler industry every day, such as maintaining your CEUs, working with states and local governments that require those CEUs to give us extensions on those as well. As we have canceled many training classes and many programs, we're encouraging you to utilize our online programs to make sure that you keep up with those things that you need. However, from Wisconsin to Florida and all states in between around the country, we're working with state officials to try to give us a break on those CEUs, give us extensions to get them through the end of the year if they didn't already have those times allotted. So there are many things that we're trying to do. We're wanting to ensure that plans reviews and those things keep pace when we do return to normal in America. The National Fire Sprinkler Association is working hard on behalf of our members. We are working around the clock making decisions on conferences, training classes, fire team, and all other NFSA programs. We are working diligently to ensure we can deliver service to you during these times. We're also working diligently to ensure, as we know, that our manufacturers working and our fitters working on job sites is vital to fire and life safety in America. One of the things that we want to do as we go forward is to provide you with more information, and we're going to try to continue to do that as things evolve. Our contractors and companies are accustomed to creating a safe and secure workplace. Our companies are committed to doing whatever it takes to be in compliance with regulations, but also to know that there are options, and our members are committed to worker safety by doing things such as staggering trades on the job site, adding shifts to ensure that workers are working if we have to limit the number of workers in a job site, adding disinfectant stations, disinfecting jobs at the end of the day, not sharing tools. There are many, many things that we're seeing come across all around the country that says there are best practices available, and NFSA would like to be a resource to try to help our members work through these times. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. The NFSA is committed to working with all contractors, trades, and government officials to ensure a safe and secure work site. As we work through these trying times, we are seeing government curfews imposed, construction sites closed down, and legislation that impacts our industry go forward. We're asking that you please work with us. We have solutions, and our members are accustomed to working during trying times. Maybe these times are unprecedented, but working together, we can have a solution. Please reach out to us. We're also working for how do we return once these trying times pass us. Please reach out and share your concerns and share your stories with us.